Hi guys, welcome back to JayDemy again. Terraform variables. Today we are discussing. So what is the importance of Terraform variables? How it will help us to do our work very easy and automated way with the help of Terraform variables. Assume you are having multiple projects. You are having specific IPs you need to allow for your VPN. So you are having an IP. You are directly giving like hard coding the value, and you are working it. So if you're having two projects, three projects, that is fine. If you're having 20 projects or production environments, we're having multiple applications where you need to allow this IP. So then if you are going and updating, it will be challenging to your work. Like if you are hard coding means you need to update in the all the areas. So to avoid that one, we will go with the variables. So we can have a center source where we can import values from and update in each location. So assume this is my VPN IP, and this is my I'm updating in a source file. From the source we are referencing to project A or project B or project C with where.source. So by defaultly, whenever this IP is we are updating in the source, by default it will update in the destination as well, that is in project's location. So assume yeah, after few days or after a week the IP got changed. So your client came and he said, yeah, so this IP is changed, we migrated from one network to another network due to some compliance, so you need to modify. Again, what you need to do, you just need to update here and it will update in the destination as well. So we can have a center solution where what I mentioned, that we can import values from and update in the each location instead of going manually and updating in 20 projects. This may take some manual errors and as well as time taking also. To avoid that one, we will use Terraform variables. Let me quickly navigate to Atom and we will see here I'm having whereas demo.tf. In this one, basically I'm creating a security group where I am allowing my IP. It's a like a default IP I'm taken, random IP address I taken. So I have three sources, that is 443, 80 and 53. In the same way, if I'm having 20 sources, in 20 places I need to update this IP if I'm directly hard coding. So to avoid this one, we are using variables.tf. So here as mentioned here, we are using source as a variables.tf. So let me go to variables.tf. So I just created variables.tf file, and I will give here. So variable, what is the variable name? We can give anything here. I can go with the VPN underscore IP. Okay, and default IP address will be, we will copy from where's demo. What is the IP we have given already here? Just simply take that one and give in the variables.tf. That is a source we are defining here. So we just given the source. Now in where's demo, we will just use where dot, sorry, yeah, we will just delete this one and we will use where dot VPN underscore IP, right? Okay, VPN underscore IP, that is the name we have given over there. So that is defaultly we have given to VPN underscore IP. It is default, we are already given the IP address, so we don't want to worry about that. So let me do the same thing here also, just where dot IP and same for route 53 as well, where dot VPN underscore IP. Okay, so now let me save this one, and as well as variables also I'll save this one, and I'll go here and just I'll apply. Before apply, I will do plan to see what's going to happen. So I got the error. Okay, so let us verify what is the mistake we have done in where's demo. So yeah, we have this is my mistake, type of mistake. So VPN underscore IP, just save this one, go back and just do it, Terraform plan. So let us see what is going to result now. So yeah, it is saying 4 to add, and let's go up. You can see Okay, you can see here this is creating for all the sources, either 443 and other sources also, like 53 and 80. For 3 it is creating. So to double verify, just we will go ahead and Terraform apply. Yes. Okay, it is trying to create vars underscore demo. It is creating. So let us navigate to our AWS console and we will verify what is there in that one. So security groups, here you can see our security groups. Let me reduce the size. Yeah, you can see here AWS underscore ESG. It is managed by Terraform. You can see the name AWS underscore ESG, not this one, I think. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, this is not the one. It is done or not? Yeah, it is done. And id is this one. Okay, we will fetch with this one. Just go here, just paste this one, you will able to find. Yes, security group name JayDemy hyphen variables it is created. Okay, okay, that also I can show you. Yes, this is the name of the security group I have given. Okay, so now you can see here all the inbound rules which we are allowed for this IP on these port ranges. It is by defaultly updated. So as we discussed, this is how we will get. So let us take after 1 week or a project requirement, the IP address got changed from now 10.20.21.22. So how this we will change across all the required resources. So let us go here, just update. So we are working on our production, we are not using any updates here, so we don't want to touch this one. We are using variables, so we will go under variables, just go here and just update the just delete the existing one, just use our this is the IP which we are replacing. Here we have a requirement, so we just replaced and we'll go here again and directly we will apply and we will see what is the changes we are going to get in our security group. It is just refreshing the state of our security group. So just yes, give the approvals. So here you can see one to change. It is going to change the security group. It is modifying. So once it will modify, we will go and verify. So now it is modified. I'll navigate back. If you see previous this one, if you refresh here, it will change the source IP which we have passed here. This is how you can use the variables extensively in your production. I hope I will suggest you to modify or use variables wherever it is required, not only in this IP address. You can see here EC2 also we are using, region also we are passing in like directly hard coding. Even AMI also we are hard coding, T2 micro also we are hard coding. This all we can use as a variables. It is a best practice to use in our production environment. I hope this understood how we will modify source only at the variables. Thank you for watching. I will cover in further videos what are the types of variables we can use in Terraform. Thank you again.